Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna do the sausage link over here. Again, there's three ways you can cook this one. You can cook it in grill, stovetop, or microwave. So I'm gonna like cook the links using a stovetop today. Alright, so by doing that, I'm just gonna start like boiling some water. And once it's boiled, I'm gonna add the links on the boiling water, and then that's basically how it cooks. And it says also like the amount of water is 1/2 inch height, so it's just enough to cover the sausage links. I'm not sure if I put too much over here, but you know, in worst case scenario, I'm gonna like just drop some water down later on if it's not really like if it's too much, I mean. Alright, I'm gonna take this out. The packaging is good though, because it's easy to peel, so it's not like you have to like tear it apart. Because again, if you only cook like one or two, right, you can still like reseal the package. Cause some package, like if you break it, either you transfer it to a different container and then seal it, or close to it or whatever for Tupperwares to keep the freshness a bit, and it's not, at least like it's gonna last longer. But yeah, it's a good thing that the packaging was nice on this one. And I'll just wait, and then I'll put in a simmer, so it's like medium low heat until the now I had to like take out some water, it's too much, and I had to like add some more oil just to like fry it a bit. What I did wrong on this one, I should have cut the link so that it's not gonna burst, because like the pressure of the, I think the heat kind of like destroy the skin of the link, so you have to like cut it so that the can breathe, or it can it's not gonna like blow. Alright, I think I should be good in this one. I'm just gonna take, it happened like this because I really I didn't really put like it's a learning process, so next time just make sure you can cut it so that it's not gonna burst. But it looks alright though, I mean, it's not like. So what I do to correct the mistake, I'm just gonna cut the links into like small bite pieces, and it should work out anyways, because it matters, like the taste is the main thing over here. Alright guys, so I transferred all of the links to plate, and you can just add your sauce. Mine, I'm just gonna use the good old tomato sauce, ketchup, as my sauce over here. Yeah, and this is gonna be my breakfast for today. I should probably like make a sunny side up next time. But again, thank you guys for watching.